Okay, adults 2C, one dark October evening. Our grammar is time sequences and connectors, connecting sentences together. For example, why was she going very fast? Because she was in a hurry. Connecting ideas together. And for today, we can go immediately to the grammar bank, part 2C. Part A, put the sentences in the right order. This takes a little bit of time. Put the sentences in the right order. The first sentence is here. One day in 2011, I was standing in line for a bus. Pause and complete the story in the right order. Okay, so I remember the story is one day in 2011, I was standing in line for a bus. Suddenly, a man ran in front of me and got on the bus. Then, another man tried to do the same. When the second man went in front of me, I told him to go and stand in line. He told me he was a police officer and they were looking for a thief. A few seconds later, the first police officer got off the bus with a man. After that, a police car came and took the men away. The next day, I read the story in a newspaper. Words that connect our story. I did this, then I did this. I woke up, then I had breakfast. Suddenly, I saw something on TV. After that, I checked my phone for the information. Adding sequences and connectors to make a story easier to understand. Other connectors are examples like so, because, but, and although. So introduces a conclusion. I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat something. Because introduces a reason. I'm going to eat something because I'm hungry. It's like the opposite of so. But and although introduce contrasts. It's cold, but I'm not going to wear a coat. Although it's cold, I'm not going to wear a coat. But is in the center of your sentence, connecting the two parts. Although has flexibility. It can be at the beginning of your sentence with two parts connected by a comma, or in the middle, connecting the two parts of a sentence. Let's practice and demonstrate. Here's the example. We couldn't find a taxi, so we walked home. We couldn't find a taxi. What's the result? We walked home. Pause and complete 9 questions with so, because, but, or although. Okay, let's check. Number 1, although it was very cold, she wasn't wearing a coat. There is a contrast. Number 2, I woke up in the night because there was a noise. What's the reason you woke up? It's because there was a noise. Number 3, I called him, but his cell phone was turned off. There's a contrast. Number 4, although she's very nice, she doesn't have many friends. That's a contrast. Number 5, there was nothing on TV, so I went to bed. The consequence of nothing on TV? Okay, so I will go to bed. Number 6, all the cafes were full because it was a holiday. What's the reason the cafes were full? It's because it was a holiday. Number 7, she wanted to be a doctor, but she failed her exams. It's a contrast. Number 8, the yard looked very beautiful, so I took a photograph. The consequence of beautiful. Okay, so I take a photograph. And 9, although the team played well, it didn't win. Okay, that's everything for today. See you next time.